Wow, I don't even care what I look like to the age. Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe down below and hit the big thumbs up button if you like this video. And I'm gonna be real, I am stressed. Look at this. Stress, whatever. I don't care. So I have 4 midterms this week and I leave for Mexico on Friday. In today's video, we're going to be doing a packing with me, and pretty much I'm just going to show you what I'm packing for Mexico for my tropical warm vacation. Let's just jump into it. So, my suitcase of choice, Thule. Open. Oh, just kidding, never mind. Hold on. Oh, pardon me. Okay. Wham. Swell. Okay, so we need bathing suits. I think it's in this bag. I don't know. The dress I'm going to be bringing is from my sister's closet. I think it'll be super cute. Super flowy, super fun. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, pretty much what we have is I have a bathing suit. I'm stressed. School stresses me out, like, to an insane, incredible, not healthy level on any aspect. But, like, it's fine. That's all I can say. It's fine. The bathing suits, and I think we're just gonna put, like my bathing suits, like, in there. And then this dress, oh, shit, that's sticky. This dress is gonna go in there. Slides. Lit. Oh. Need to take these out. Okay. So, okay, I also have a t-shirt dress. Nice. 1 pair of shorts, 2 pair of shorts. 3 pairs of shorts, I guess. And then I have this cute little top, which definitely gonna bring that because it'll look cute. No. Important. 1 tank top. Like, I could bring these pants, like, they're super flowy. Super nice. I mean, like,
hi. I don't know what I was looking for, like, if I was trying to, like, I don't know. I'm, like, rewatching this and I'm like, girl, where are you trying to go? Are you trying to jump through the pants to another realm or something?
you know what? Yeah, bring that. This. Okay. I'm going to shove these to be tucked there. Okay, so here's what I got so far. I will kind of, like, I'll add more throughout the week, but I just needed, like, a base start. But I got some shirts, some shorts, some bathing suits. Ooh, I should bring 1 more bathing suit. Okay, so I have 4 bathing suits. Great. 4 bathing suits, clothes. I need socks, but I don't really have any. Another thing I must do is prepare if Mother Nature decides to be like, sup, homie. Just here to ruin your day. Okay, so I already got some tampons in here. I don't need that. I also don't need those. But I do need to stock up. Oh, there's little empty wrappers in here. Okay, whatever. So, if Mother Nature decides to wreck me, I will be prepared. think I'm prepared. I got a lot going on. 5, 6 liners. Great. Now I need some travel shampoo and conditioner. Okay. Please ignore my disgusting sink. Okay. Ooh, hell yeah. Okay. Need to get a bag for those. Let's go downstairs. Yeah. Hi, Toby. Hi. Okay. Bag. May as well grab 2. Great. Yep. That's good enough. Okay. So that will conclude my pack with me as I know so far. I'll probably jump on in here later in the week to show you what makeup I'm bringing. But yeah, that's it. I have to go study. See you maybe later or not. Yeah.